I'm about to explode. Speeding down a warpath. Self